What do you pack on your cruise? Part 2, y'all. Of course, you got to have fresh breath. So you got to bring you some toothpaste, honey, because you don't want to be buying it on the cruise ship. Then, since this one is not going to have an ironing board room, I'm going to bring this, well, this say wrinkle away. I found it at the $1.25 tree. So I'm going to try it out here at home, see if I like it, and then go from there. Of course, I seen this little pack, so why not grab some stain remover, the little pen, and the wipes. So I'm going to take that on this cruise. Y'all, you can't go wrong with having a portable travel size umbrella to have. This is good if it starts raining, and it's good to protect you for the sun rays, baby, because in the Caribbean, that sun beams and beats a little bit different, a little bit harder. Y'all, this right here, you definitely should get some of these. Don't do like me, because I didn't know what size to get. This was the first little hooks that I had gotten. See how tiny those hooks are? Very, very small. That's what I had for my cruise last year. Because, you know, I've cruised many times and I never knew about the hooks, didn't think about the hooks, none of that. But these babies right here, this is what I got for this time. Because my roommate had some big old hooks and I was like, dang, where you get them big old giants from? But this will hold more weight and the hook won't be sliding down the wall like this one did when I put a little bag on it. So look at the difference, size difference in those hooks. These come in handy to put on the wall to be able to hang your lanyard, which will have your key card on it if you use that like I do. You can hang your hats up, your little duffel bags, or whatever type of bags that you like to take in and out the cabin. You can hang those there with that. Of course, for me, compression socks. Because if I ain't drinking enough water or something, I have water retention. So those are always great to travel with. Of course, we could use these. These are better priced if you get them before you get on the cruise ship and before you get on those cruise ports. So this is good, but you got to remember to bring it out the room if you're going to be out in the water, because I sure forgot to take mine off the cruise, child. So I held my phone in the water hoping that I didn't drop it, trying to get footage. Y'all, some sort of fan to keep you nice and cool in your cabin or even on the ship in different places when you're just sitting if you have hot flashes like me. And this is good. This one here, I fit that hook on it, baby, on the wall, and it just laid up against that, and it could just blow down on me while I was sleeping. And you can tilt the head on this one. This one, not so much. You can tilt it backwards and stuff like that. So those are great to have with you, especially when you've boarded the cruise ship and you're not moving it, because the air is not running like it normally would when the ship is moving. All types of little pockets like this, pouches. These are my newest ones to store your your charging cables and different things like that. This holds holding my magnets this time. And honey, you can never go wrong with taking one of these. A little selfie stick tripod. This one has a remote to it. And then, of course, my phone is on my big one that I got off the TikTok shop. But these work great for when you want to take solo photos. So you don't have to ask people to do it for you. And you can get your pictures how you want. So that is part 2. Let me know in the comment section, what are some of the things that you must take on your cruise or that you've forgotten to take on your cruise?